Hello everyone, welcome to the PowerPoint tips and tricks lesson number 8. In this lesson I'm going to show you another very exciting feature in the latest version of PowerPoint, that is about zoom. How to use the summary zoom is our topic in this lesson. So we can use the summary zoom option to summarize the entire presentation into a single slide, right? Okay, let's see how we can do that. I'm going to summarize slide number 2 to slide number 7 into one slide. And go to the insert menu. Under the insert menu you can see the zoom option. Under the zoom you can see the summary zoom option. Click on it and then you can select what are the slides that you want to summarize into a single slide. So I'm going to select from slide number 2 to slide number 7 and click insert. So when you do that, you can see your slides from slide number 2 to slide number 7 have been summarized into a single slide. So I can give a name here. Okay, now we are ready to present. So let's start our presentation. Okay, this is the first slide, and then when you click, it goes to the summary slide. So then you can click on each slide, then it will be zoom like this. When you click again, it goes back to the summary. Right. So one of the big advantages, you can select whatever the slide you want from the summary slide. Let's say first I want, someone is asking a question about Mercury, then I can click on it. Right. So you can use this methodology in your day-to-day work. If you are presenting something to a management, or in your school or your campus, if you are doing a project. So this feature is really cool. It's really a kind of smart way of doing the things. It's facilitating this nice way of presenting. Okay, thank you very much for watching this. Hope this is helpful to you. Please learn, apply and multiply the knowledge with others. God bless you all.